Ready to dive into the Solana blockchain from the palm of your hand? First, head over to the App Store on your iPhone and in the search bar at the top of the screen, type in Phantom. Look for the official Phantom Wallet app. It should have a ghost-like logo. Once you've found it, tap the Install button to download it to your device. After the app is installed, go back to your home screen and tap the Phantom Wallet icon to open it. You'll be greeted with the Phantom Welcome screen here. If you already have a Solana wallet, you can select Import Existing Wallet and enter your seed phrase, but for most new users, tap Create a New Wallet. This next part is crucial. Phantom will generate a secret recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase. This is your wallet's master key. Very carefully write this phrase down on a piece of paper and store it in a secure location. Do not take a screenshot of it or save it on your computer. Phantom will then ask you to verify your seed phrase by entering some of the words. This is to ensure that you have properly saved it. Input the correct words that it asks for and tap Next or Continue. You'll then be prompted to create a strong password for your Phantom wallet. Choose a password that's at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for optimal security. Write this password down too, but separately from your seed phrase. Congratulations! Your Phantom wallet is now set up and ready to use. You can now manage your Solana assets, explore dApps, and experience the Solana ecosystem directly from your iPhone. Be sure to keep your seed phrase and password safe.